To make a video showing about the seat in the Titanium Fusion. This is a 2013 Titanium Energy. As you can see here, there's 3 pins in the bottom, 3 pins on the other side of the bottom, and this looks like it has, the plug looks like it has 4 pins here, so there's 1 pin missing on the left of these 3 pins, and then it has 3 pins in there and 3 pins here which match up. And then in the middle, we have 1 pin and 3 pins here. 1 pin, 2 pins here. The third one is missing. And then for the last row, we have 2 and then spaced with 1, 2, and everything else is blank. And 2 spaced with 1, 2. So everything else lines up. And I think what this extra pin right here is, I think this is for cooled seats. I'm not sure, but you can look in the diagram on the Fusion seat forum. It's in 2G Fusions, and I remember there was a thread which showed what all the pins mean, and I'll also look it up and write in the comments below if or edit the description and say what it is in that. But this is just a comparison. This plug is from a 2017 Fusion without memory seats, but it was a power passenger seat. It had 6-way power, and this car only came with 4-way, so I wanted to put 6-way power into this so it has a height adjustment, because this seat was just way too low to the ground. And it seems to work, but the height adjustment is not working. Like right now it's at the highest setting, which is good because that's what I wanted at, but the height adjustment isn't working, and I think that may be because there's 1 pin missing here. In this harness, there's 4 pins on the bottom, and there's only 3 here. I think that last pin might be the height adjustment, so that's probably what it is. Anyways, thanks for watching. Everything else works exactly the same. Heated seats work exactly the same. In fact, this car that I took the seat from didn't even have heated seats, but the harness already had the pigtail for it. It had it right over here, and it also had the extra wire going to the backrest for the heated seats, which you can see right here. The yellow and green, and the blue and dark blue and light blue, these 2 wires are for the heated seat, and these 2 are for the backrest motor. So it ended up working out. I'm gonna try to find a way to make this up and down function work. I'm not sure if it's actually this pin or it's the switch itself, because this was from a flood car, and it could be the switch because the driver side switch wasn't working at all, and when I changed the switch it worked. So maybe it's the switch, and maybe it has nothing to do with the pins. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will update this when I'm done. Yep.